What are alprazolam tablets for? Alprazolam tablets are a medication that belongs to the class of drugs known as benzodiazepines. They are primarily prescribed to treat anxiety disorders such as generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, panic disorder, and social anxiety disorder. Alprazolam works by enhancing the effects of a neurotransmitter called gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, in the brain, which helps to reduce excessive brain activity and promote relaxation. The main purpose of alprazolam tablets is to provide relief from symptoms of anxiety, such as excessive worry, restlessness, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. It helps to calm the mind and body, making it easier for individuals with anxiety disorders to cope with their daily lives. In addition to anxiety disorders, alprazolam tablets may also be prescribed for other conditions such as insomnia, seizures, and alcohol withdrawal symptoms. However, it is important to note that alprazolam should only be used under the supervision of a healthcare professional and for a limited duration, as it can be habit-forming and may cause dependence if misused. It is crucial to follow the prescribed dosage and duration of alprazolam treatment, as sudden discontinuation or misuse can lead to withdrawal symptoms, rebound anxiety, and other adverse effects. It is also important to avoid alcohol and sedative medications while taking alprazolam, as they can enhance the sedative effects and increase the risk of side effects. To summarize, alprazolam tablets are primarily used to treat anxiety disorders by promoting relaxation and reducing excessive brain activity. They are prescribed by healthcare professionals and should be used cautiously and as directed, keeping in mind the potential for dependency and the need for proper supervision.